Hi, we researched a large variety of products based on their overall performance, value for money, and reviews from thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through research and side-by-side comparisons, we believe that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you are buying a great product. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's see which are the best products this year.
This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.
Whether crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force. Leatherman, for real life.